Uh, Before starting the session, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. M. Sandil Kumar. Actually, I don't belong to mathematics discipline. I am basically a mechanical engineer. For the past uh, 25 plus years, I am in this teaching field. I started my career as a lecturer, then maybe assistant professor, associate professor, professor, and I served as principal of an engineering college for about 12 years. Now, presently, I am working in Bharat University as Dean Incubation Center. Here we are developing many business products, including some kind of e-learning contents also. In this, on representing the Tutor Pro, I'll be covering about the this orientation program on this MA 8351 discrete mathematics subject. Now, with this brief introduction, I think I'll be taking only half an hour time. I don't want to take up much of your valuable time. Let me try to give thing about this subject through what we developed, what we did for better learning of this particular subject in particular, and using this technology or technique or the app, one can learn other subjects also. Okay, so with these few words, we will jump into the content or the context of this particular program. I welcome you again for this orientation program. In your institution, you may be in non-autonomous autonomous institution or autonomous institution. Some may be studying in deemed university. So whether you are studying in affiliated, autonomous, non-autonomous, deemed university, so on and so forth, I hope, especially if you belong to uh, computer science branch, definitely you will be studying this discrete mathematics subject. uh, Hope your faculty members are handling this subject with fullest effort. They are putting lot full effort. Some colleges they already started uh, taking the class or by on the offline mode. Some colleges are in online mode, whether it is offline or online. Your faculty members started handling this engineering discrete mathematics subject. They are putting their fullest effort. Because of their inputs and effort. I hope you understood the subject very well because of his or their effort. But sometimes you'll be having some doubts, isn't it? Even when I was studying my UG or PG, I had some doubt. I clarify my doubts with the faculty members or with my friends. So that way you can clarify your doubts by discussing the problem on which you are having some doubt, with your faculty or friends. Maybe one time or two time you can contact faculty, but friends, anytime and many times you can contact your friends also to clarify your doubts on this particular subject. But sometimes even after discussing a topic on this discrete mathematics subject once, twice, or thrice, or even more, sometimes you may have doubt or clarification still. So what is the way out? What is the way out? The way out is, I said about myself and one of my friends together in this corona period, we started developing a e-learning app, Android app, that will work on desktop also. We'll be highlighting that one only here. It's a e-learning app. It's a subscription mode for learning the subject. uh, See, either you have to purchase the book, or from the lending library you can borrow the book for some time, or the notes are available through the social media. So through any mode as you like, you can get the relevant material, necessary material for this subject, and you can start learning the subject, plus your faculties are handling the subject. started handling the classes for this subject. Okay, so but if you see this one, it's a subscription board. It's a very nominal cost only. Once you registered, you can see the content both in the desktop and mobile. In this 20 minutes time, I'll show both the desktop mode as well as the mobile mode. So any number of time you can see the text in a PDF format or the live lecture videos. So for the full 5 units, this app contains unit wise covering all the 5 units. Each unit has been subdivided into number of chapters. Each chapter has got n number of problems. Problem in the sense that it can be a problem or a definition or a derivation, or it's a real problem maybe. So all I deem it as a problem. So number of problems it has for each and every chapter. For each topic, there are two buttons. Uh, Through that you can see either the text as you see the content in the textbook, and or you can see the live lecture video for that particular topic. In addition to that, so it has built-in textbook, it has live lecture videos for all the topics, covering all the chapter, covering all 5 units for the entire subject. It has part A question answer, unannounced answer papers, announced solved question papers, model question papers, multiple choice question and answer also. Periodically, we will be airing the live lecture sessions also. Maybe suppose say if you have as per the announced schedule, you people will be having the test 1, test 2, test 3, maybe model examination. On that week, we'll be conducting live lecture sessions also through this app. So in this regard, I once again welcome all the faculty members who have entered into this program today now, and I welcome all the enthusiastic students also. Okay, the features of this particular app. Uh, Here you can choose the unit, choose the chapter, and choose a topic. The topic has two icons, one for viewing the content in PDF. So it has a built-in textbook. So you need not buy a separate, you need not purchase a separate textbook. The thing is, the only difference between the textbook and the content available here is textbook, it's a single bound volume, but here it is segregated and separated topic wise. So maybe this for this particular subject, maybe it has nearly 400 plus PDFs. If you join all the 400 plus PDF, it is as good as a textbook actually, that too in a multicolor format. The second button will play the live lecture video. So that means it has a virtual tutor inside it also. So you can see the PDF, or you can view the lecture videos anytime, any number of times. Okay, so but that is not really possible. You cannot ask doubts with your faculty or even to your students, friends, maybe twice, thrice, or not more than that. But here you can see, you can view the PDF or the video any number of times. So now let's see the application of this one in desktop or laptop. Now I'll be opening my the Google Chrome. So the URL is TUTRPRO. I spell it as I pronounce it as Tutor Pro. So www.tutrpro.com. So this is the main site actually. It's a very it's having it has only a normal basic display only, not a fancy display. So suppose now you are a fresh you are a first time you are seeing, so you have to register. After for registering, you have to write your name, you have to enter your name, your mobile number, your email ID, and a local password combining only alphabets and numerals, not special characters. Okay, so now I already registered. Let me give my login credential. My login name ID is mskumar67@gmail.com. The password, after entering the password, you see this will list out. I subscribed these many courses. Presently, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The engineering graphics is available both in English and Tamil format. Engineering maths 2, discrete maths, probability and queuing theory. All the mathematics subjects we have right now, and all the first semester subjects we have. I yet to register the discrete mathematics course. Okay, now let me go for purchase. This course presently it is available for just 10 rupees. Uh, by paying 10 rupees, you can see the full content actually. So now on a live mode, I'll be trying to pay the amount. I'll be registering this subject now. Are you able to hear my voice? My voice is audible to you now? One of you please respond. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you are able to see the video also, right? Okay then. So now I'm through the mobile. I'll be opening my BIM app, payment gateway. I am about to enter the. I am about to purchase. I'm going to purchase the subject now. Now I paid the amount now, 10 rupees I paid. I think this will be reflected here now. Yes. Now I subscribe this subject also. It's a subscription mode. This subscription is valid for full 6 months actually. Now it is self-explanatory hereafter. You see now I entered into the discrete mathematics on a desktop or laptop mode on a system based one. So this has 5 units. First unit logic and proofs, second unit combinatorics, third graphs, fourth algebraic structure, fifth lattices and Boolean algebra. Unit 6 it has been designed in such a way that unit 0 you have some basic things about like syllabus and live streaming sessions periodically you will receive it. Unit 6 we marked unit 6 for part A question and answer. This part A question and answer will be available in all the 5 units also. Apart from that, part A Q&A alone is available as under unit 6, and it has now if I click it will expand. Okay, now you can see the contents here. The analysis question papers, 3-year question papers you can see. Analysis solve paper we had to add actually. Model question paper it has 2 model question papers. Multiple choice questions it has this many multiple choice questions. Now let us see the logics and the first unit, first topic may be introduction and definition. Uh, Suppose say it has this chapter. Now you see uh, this unit 1 has been divided into maybe 9 chapters. So it will vary unit between the units or between the subjects. The number of chapters division will vary. So here for this subject, unit 1 divided into 9, unit 2 divided into 3 chapters, unit 3 divided into 5 chapters, 4 7 chapters, 5 6 chapters, and so on. So let me go to the introduction definition. Let me open the PDF first. So now you see here, except the part B questions, in the part B questions the video button is not highlighted because video is not available there. That is not necessary also. Suppose if the video or the PDF is available, those icons you can see it in blue color. Okay, so now let me open the content for this one, the logics and proofs. So this has half a page content only, or proportional logic. So this is the content about the proportional logic. Okay, you can read. I think it is having more than one page. Okay, so now you can see the content. So it's this particular topic has 3-page content actually. You can go to previous, you can go to previous, you can go back and forth. So for that particular topic, you can read, you can see the content in a PDF form. Now we'll see the video for it actually. So proportional logic, again this has been listed like 1.1 for the unit 1, 1.1 to maybe for the you see 1.112. So unit 1 has 112 PDF, maybe equal to or less than 112 videos, 100 plus videos. Let me open the video also. I don't know whether you are able to hear the voice here. So this is the video for this particular topic. Let me fast forward it. Are you able to hear the voice, video voice actually? Voice of the video? Okay, no problem. But it's a video, AV. Now, whether you are able to hear the audio part or not, but video part you are watching. So like this, you can choose any topic. Let me choose maybe some topic in unit 3, maybe problem 3. So this is the text or the PDF. So that's it. Go back. You can play the video for that also. So problems 5 I think open, 3.19 I think open. Come here. So this is the video for that particular topic. So this particular video has been prepared by one of the senior person who is attending right now in this session, Miss Thenmuri madam. Okay, so he will also have some interaction after my speech. You can maximize. So like that, for the benefit of the student community, we developed this particular e-learning app. Especially it has a fantastic content for this the discrete math subject. Soon, suppose if your response is really good, if you encourage, if you like and encourage this particular app and the methodology, we are ready to develop contents for maybe all the computer science subjects or all the engineering subjects. Maybe it all depends on your receptivity, your acceptance. Okay, so I think this is self-explanatory, and these two demos are sufficient. But let me open a model question paper also, maybe, or a MCQ. So it has only PDF, no videos, because for some the videos is not video is not required for all the things actually. Even for example, the part A question answer, you'll have only PDFs. Let me open PDF for the unit 1. Maybe it has maybe 10-20 pages. Okay, page 1, page 2, page 3, like that it goes. It has 10 pages. So totally for this unit 1 part A, it has 26 Q&A. Okay, so no video, but I think the video is not so required. If you feel it is required, definitely we are ready to put the videos even for part A and MCQs also. Let me open one MCQ for unit 3 maybe. So the unit 3 is graph for this subject. So it has content for about 20 pages, 48 questions. Okay, so let me go back. So this is about this one. So now you see in my courses, now today only I subscribe this discrete mathematics subject, 6 months, 183 days validity. It has other subjects also. All mathematics subjects we already incorporated, because uh, my teacher, when I was studying BE, my teacher used to say one proverb or one saying like, uh, take up the toughest work first. The easy things will take care of by themselves. So we all know that mathematics subjects are the toughest ones. So we attempted the mathematics subjects first now. So now you see from this menu, you can see the math 1 is there, maths 2 is there, uh, probability and queuing is there, discrete maths. Then the number theory also it is underway. Maybe in a matter of 30 days time, that subject is also be ready. The subscription cost will be for this subject will be, we put it as just 10 rupees. This 10 rupees is valid only for maybe for next 10 days. It is something like, suppose assuming you are paying 10 rupees or subscribing 10 rupees for this subject, you are giving me a tea, that's it, or for this tutor pro. Okay, the maximum cost of any subject is limited to 150 only, but this discrete match will be available for all of you for 10 rupees, maybe for next 10 days, that is for sure. So now let me, we have seen about the tutor pro the URL based web based application. Now let us see about the Android mobile. For that, let me mute my mic. Let me open my another mobile phone. Through the other mobile, I'll show it on a live basis. Okay, actually, I have opened my another mobile phone. I started sharing my mobile phone screen. Hope you are viewing my mobile screen now, right? One of you please say something, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Now, before opening the app, you can, I'll show you the Play Store also. So go to Play Store, go to search. You can type TUTR Pro, Tutor Pro, TUTRPRO, Tutor Pro. Now this is the one. So this is the one already installed. Okay. So now let me open my Tutor Pro app with same login credential. So if you pay 10 rupees or X rupees, you can see the content simultaneously, concurrently, both on Android mobile and desktop simultaneously. Now you see discrete match is there. You see expires 180 days. Now I open the same thing. Maybe this time, let's see about algebraic unit 4. Uh, maybe uh, under that chapter 2 maybe. Semi-group monoids. What is semi-group and monoids? So this is the content. So I am operating the app through my mobile now. So the video. I don't know whether you are able to hear the voice, video voice or not. I'm not very sure about it. I can hear, but I'm because I'm wearing the. Let me open another video. So you can maximize the screen also. I think you are not able to you cannot hear the voice, but you are watching the video actually. So I explained the concept of this Twitter Pro app to you through my desktop actually. So whatever you have seen in the desktop, same thing you can watch and you can see and view it in the mobile also. Okay. You need any clarification regarding the mobile app? I just opened it. I think this is self-explanatory. I think so. Your views, please. One of you, please. If you have any, if you have any queries or doubt, you can ask now. Okay, so yeah, let me close. Okay, so let me close my screen sharing in my app actually. Stop sharing. I stopped sharing it. Okay, I joined in my desktop now. So you have seen this Android app, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, we have. I think I showed some demonstration. It's a live demonstration. It was a live demonstration, both on desktop, that is web based, and the Android app based. Presently, the web portion, you better don't open the tutorpro.com in your mobile browser. Better you can straight away install the app, and through app you open the content. Okay, that is one point. The next point is regarding the mobile app. We developed this app that will run only on Android as of now. This will not run on iOS. So presently, this has contents for the engineering maths I showed you already. Even right now, I'll show in my desktop also. That will be much easier. So now you see that home. So maths 1, physics 1, chemistry 1, Python, engineering graphics both in English, Tamil. Even for some math subjects, we have content for both on English as well as Tamil. Based on your opinion, we are ready to put the contents both in English as well as Tamil in the app actually. Mathematics 2, discrete maths, probability and queen theory. So maybe in another 3 weeks time, the number theory mathematics subject also will be added. Okay, so yeah, engineering graphics, Python, soon we'll be adding more subjects also periodically. And we have a full database content for all the mathematics subjects, through which we can conduct a tailor-made training session. This is for the institution actually, or suppose if good number of students are really badly in need of uh, coaching for this discrete maths or even any other subject for this matter, you can approach us also. Okay, the email id is tutorpro at gmail.com. I'll show you later. Now let me open that one also now. In this regard, our subject expert, Tenmuri madam, I think she will say something about this one. Now you see that. Now, for example, what I show you now is a full content. This we have developed exclusively for the slow learners actually. So this is the unit one, first unit, logic and proofs under discrete mathematics. If you see, this has 160 problems. Each problem has n number of steps. Now, for example, this is the first problem. So it has steps. It has steps. Suppose say you want the next problem, problem number two. This is about the proportional logics. About third problem, fourth problem. Suppose if you want to jump into fifth to maybe say 12th problem, type 12, you can see the problem. You can see the problem. So like that, we developed the content for the discrete maths subject this way. So this will be really useful for the slow learners actually. So you can pass on this message also. So this is about discrete mathematics unit 1. Maybe let me open a unit 4 of discrete maths also. You see this has 186 problems covering this unit actually. So this has example 3 has nearly 24 steps. You can go back and forth like that. We have content not only for this discrete maths. Let me open one content for the mathematics 1 unit 2 maybe. This has 117 problems actually. So to solve the problem, it has nearly 15 steps. I can go back and forth any number of times. Okay, so through the annotation tools or scribbling tools, the faculty may be able to teach the subject maybe in a better way. Tenmuri madam, are you able to say or compliment on this one, madam? Yeah, please. Tell me the subject and unit, madam. Unit. Next problem or step forward. Yeah, this has 22 steps. Yeah.
No doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. So now we have sure we in this I said half an hour, but I have taken extra 10 minutes maybe. But in that we covered about this one, the three things actually. One, the our Tutor Pro app on a desktop based one. The second, the Android mobile based app. We showed the demonstration, and the third one for the suppose if big number good number the many students who are badly in need of a special coaching, we have content. This message is not only for the students, also for the institutions. We are ready to develop the contents not only for the maths, even for other subjects also. With your permission, let me open my own subject. You can see that one now. Okay, now you see that 1 minute, 1 minute. You see, so this is the engineering graphics subject. I authored a book on this one. So step by step, you can see the answer now. So as a teacher, I supposed to draw this one in step by step. Okay. Suppose if you have any doubt, you cannot rub it off in the chalk and board method. Even some PowerPoints, they show the PowerPoints in the final step in a single shot. But here, each and every step you can see that. Each and every step you can see that. So like that, we developed this one. So I really thank all of you for having given us the opportunity to share our experience and to show the highlights of the Tutor Pro e-learning app for better learning actually. If at all, if any of you are having any doubt, you can ask questions now.